Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the DRich Show. This is DRich and today is August 31st, 2021. How's everybody's Tuesday going so far? I hope that you guys are all well and that this video finds you all in good health, good spirits, and good energy. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about LCX, and we're going to get into that, and we want to make sure that we also source back the provider of the information, source the information back to the person of interest who's always dropping things on us. So we want to get into that here in a bit. But first of all, we want to make sure that we acknowledge all of you on the channel who subscribed recently and who's been here on the journey. So without further ado, I want to make sure that we take care of some quick business before we get into the coin market cap and the meat and potatoes of the video. So first off, I want to make sure that I want to thank my team who's helping me build the team and the foundation of the team. And most definitely, the foundation is built on trust, honesty, and integrity, and transparency. And we want to make sure that those folks are acknowledged. So HealthGo, thank you so much for always contributing. And DK, thank you for always providing good insight and good information, allowing me to express certain things. And the collaboration is unique and dynamic. So those two individuals so far have been just that, and I appreciate them very much. So without further ado, we want to make sure that those guys are well acknowledged. Secondly, if you're coming to the channel and you're coming here with nefarious means or ulterior motives and things like that, and you're dishonest, you're like shady, scandalous, things like that, I just ask that you avoid my channel altogether, because at the end of the day, I want to deal with people who are truthful, honest, good people, good-hearted, like-minded, things like that. And I don't try to shortstop anyone. I don't want try to do some backhanded deals or anything like that to try to siphon people away or anything like that. So I want to make sure that I'm very, very clear about that, because at the end of the day, I try to treat people, again, like with respect, with class and dignity, and that's just my motto, and that's just the way it goes. And if you're coming to try to sow dissent, we're going to separate the wheat from the chaff. So at the end of the day, you can move on to do what you need to do as individuals, and I always encourage the persons, these people, to do what they do. But keep it away from here, because at the end of the day, I have no tolerance for it. So anyway, I don't want to spend too much time bickering on stuff like that, but just so we know that the people that are here, I anticipate that there be good-hearted, good individuals who are about providing solid, decent information with truth, transparency, and integrity. So anyways, here we got the coin market cap. Bitcoin's dominance 42.6%. Ethereum spiked up to a 19.0% flat. And then we got a global crypto market cap of 2.09 trillion, which is a 0.08% increase over the last 24 hours, while Bitcoin trading at $47,261.07. Excuse me, as you can see, it's changed a little bit there, but not too far off. Ethereum at number 2, $3,374.55. And we got Cardano there at $2.75, sitting at the number 3 spot, while BNB is trading number 4, $465.79. And as we jump down to number 6, XRP at $1.19, $1.17, 3.18% increase over the last 24 hours there. So it looks like it's going in an upward trajectory, which is good for all of us, if that is something that is your bread and butter, your foundation, whatnot. At the end of the day, continue to try to accumulate. You know, you can accumulate XRP when it's in the green and it's in the red. Hopefully it's in the red, but there's no wrong time to accumulate XRP. Dogecoin, number 7 there, 27 cents, almost 28 cents there, while Solana has just pushed over to $108.43. And again, we touched base on this digital asset last week. So if you want to go back and review that video, it's there for you to consume. And Polkadot, $29.95, up 17.98%, which is almost 18% in the last 24 hours. But what I'm seeing, ladies and gentlemen, here is that you have like Quant, you have Polkadot, and you have some of these others like Avalanche, which we talked about briefly yesterday. You know, we see some of these, like the main blockchain ones, are starting to pump, while the ones, you know, that are associated in their ecosystem are relatively trading sideways. So I'm not sure if that has anything to do with them trying to build value or total value for the main blockchain source. Like these, if you go down, you have, Luna as well. If you go back to Luna here, okay, that one's pumped up a lot. And, you know, I'm not sure what that, you know, will mean in comparison to other digital assets or cryptocurrencies. So I'm just assuming that those are going to take the lead, and then the rest will follow. Hopefully that's the case. You got Algorand, $1.13. Again, Kusama right there, 26.61% increase over the last 24 hours. Most definitely continue to do your due diligence. Try to accumulate much as you can, as fast as you can. But again, I always encourage you not to go break yourself, to leave yourself short where you're not taking care of your regular basic needs. So anyway, before I move forward into the video, this was brought to my attention on a comment that was in the video from Komajli Singh. So if you're listening to me today, I did take a peek at this. For some reason, I'm not seeing your comments in the description where I can actually respond to you. But I wanted to make sure that we brought this up so that we can just take a peek at it. It looks very, very interesting. So if you're into NFTs, gaming, things like that, I wanted to make sure that we put this out there. I'm going to leave it here. This is avaxstars.com in the description so you guys can go take a peek at it. But it looks promising, especially when it's connected to Avalanche, AVAX, whatever. I think that is very intriguing. So again, I guess don't miss your chance to get your AVAX stars now. So we'll check that out. We're going to do some more research on that, and we're going to browse it and check it out and see if, you know, we can get some airdrops or we can get some NFTs, whatever. I'm all about that, and I need to actually expand some of my insight or information when it comes to, you know, more DeFi, more NFTs, more nodes. So those are some things that I'm working on. And the Sushi Swap or, you know, MetaMask, all that stuff is kind of new to me. Although I've been in the crypto for almost 4 years now, some of these new things, you know, you got to kind of, you know, expand your thinking, expand the way you look at things from traditional way of looking at things. So again, I just wanted to leave that here. So anyway, we're going to talk about LCX today. And again, this was brought to my attention by the Health Go, who continues to look at things and present them to me. And it's up to me to go and look at them, to look at the information, use my discernment, and, you know, look at the information. I'm an information specialist. So, you know, when I look at the information, I'm here to present it to you. I'm just only given, you know, a crumb, you know, to, you know, feed on and go and look at it for myself. So again, this is this, and this ranked number 615 in the coin market cap. Let's go ahead and give it a refresh, see if that price has changed a little bit. So yeah, it's about the same. Okay, 6 cents, almost 7 cents. Okay, there. And then we have their contract information, their website, which is lcx.com, which is another way to get to them. And then you got the Explorers, which is Etherscan Explorer, and then you have the wallets on Ledger, And you can also join their community on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram.com and LinkedIn.com. And then there's their API ID. And then you have their tags, which is token and exchange-based tokens and finance and banking. So again, we're going to take a peek at it with the price and market stats here. Okay, you got not too much trading volume at the moment, but we want to make sure that we take a peek at it because we're going to connect some dots here. And I think that you're going to be excited about what we are going to discover when it comes to this token. So anyway, we got an all-time high of 16 cents there, which is March 22nd, 2021, which was about 5 months ago. And then we also have an all-time low of November 26th, my son's birthday, 2019, which was almost 2 years ago. And then, you have a 24-hour high and low of 7 cents high and 6 cents as the low. And then actually the 7-day low and 7-day high is also here for you to check out and consume. So again, you look at it over the last year, it's been in the green. Okay, it's all positive. And then here are some of the platforms or exchanges that you can actually go and get it on. Again, I use Hotbit, which is probably like my 2A or 2B exchange to go to besides KuCoin. So again, you can trade it with Bitcoin, you can trade it with USDT, and then most definitely SushiSwap and Uniswap, which I mentioned not too long ago here. So and again, here is LCX coin price and market data. Okay, it's the Liechtenstein Cryptoassets exchange. So I want to make sure that we understand what that means, because if you listen to the digital asset investor, he always mentions the fact that Liechtenstein is one of the places that he wants to go to. So anyway, let's jump right into it. Let's get to their Twitter feed here, which is at LCX. Okay, it's a regulated cryptocurrency exchange, which is compliant STO and token sale platform, DeFi, decentralized exchange aggregator, DeFi.lcx.com. Also blockchain LCX Liechtenstein. So again, they're from Liechtenstein and they are here from joined February 2018. And again, most definitely you want to go ahead and give them a follow there. And then you can check all of the latest and greatest news here. And most definitely I encourage you to go check that out, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into their website here, which is the next generation of cryptocurrency exchange. The LCX exchange is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies and get access to new and fast growing tokens first. You can open a free account here and then also start trading. So again, I encourage you to do that. I'll leave it in the description as always. LCX exchange, which is a regulated exchange venue offering a range of digital currencies. And then you also have the LCX terminal, which is a multi-exchange crypto trading platform to trade on all major crypto exchanges within a single interface. And then you also have the DeFi terminal, which is the most advanced DeFi dashboard, DeFi markets charting and limit order protocol built on top of Uniswap. And the token sale platform, the platform is compliant for token sales, tokenization, and security token offerings. And here's a little bit more about the LCX exchange. The LCX exchange is, again, regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currency. And it's the next generation of digital asset exchange and advanced crypto trading desk. You can trade on all major crypto exchanges within a single interface. And again, compliant and regulated. In 2020, LCX secured approvals of 8 blockchain registrations with the registration NR288159, which allow LCX to offer the broadest scope of blockchain services alongside our sophisticated crypto compliance suite. And then there's the Pro Exchange there. So again, by 2027, more than $8 trillion will be stored on blockchain networks. So again, that's a little bit a ways away, about another 6 years. We're at 2 trillion market cap now. So again, we most definitely will probably, burn through that quicker than 2027. This is just, make sure that, they under promise and overperform, if you want to say that. And that's coming from the World Economic Forum. LCX is building an infrastructure for the new financial world, powering professional crypto finance. And then you got the Liechtenstein's blockchain laws, banking and finance, market access, tokenization, exchange license security framework, and a holistic approach. So again, Mr. Adam Hasler, which is the Prime Minister of Liechtenstein on the right, and he is in conversation with Mr. Monty C.M. Mesker, who is the CEO and founder of LCX AG, who is on the left here. So again, let's go continue. You got this saying that they can tokenize everything, how LCX infrastructure will be the basis for the future of digital assets. LCX is building a blockchain ecosystem, which is enabling institutional, merchant, and consumer access digital assets in a secure, trusted ecosystem. And LCX aims to build new infrastructure for digital finance, focusing on all aspects of compliance and regulation, and investing in the AML and KYC technology solutions at the institutional and consumer level, including on-chain analytics, as well as surveillance for all crypto deposits and withdrawals. LCX is continually engaging with policymakers, regulators, and financial institutions, and will routinely participate in financial and security audits, as well as regulatory compliance reviews. So folks, we don't have to really worry about the regulatory clarity, because basically what they're saying is that they are compliant in all levels of dealing with these folks. And again, you got advanced training tools, token sale platform, and security token offerings. And then here's the LCX Terminal Advanced Crypto Trading Platform. And then again, you can go ahead and check it out for yourselves, get connected, and see what it's about. I'm going to set me up an account, and most definitely we're going to check it out. So again, here's some other information from August 31st. What is the ADA token by Cardano? You can check that out. And again, you can see LCX at the bottom. What is Sand token by the Sandbox game? LCX. And LCX, what is the token by Quant? Alright, so again, they're in the media, CoinDesk, Newsweek, Crypto Adventure, Securities.o, and all these others here that we've come to know as some of our sources of information. So again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave this in the description. You can go ahead and use your own discernment, come to your own conclusions. I did take a big position in it yesterday as this was dropped on me, and most definitely I'm very, very bullish on this, because once we find out some of these partnerships, I think that you're going to be bullish as well. So again, here is the LCX.com and about, okay, and you can read all of that here. I won't go over it too much, and we pretty much covered some of this other stuff here, and you can go ahead and watch this video there. And then it all started on a napkin, and from an idea on a napkin to a global growth company who is now redefining finance as we know it. So back in 2013, the founder of LCX, Monty Metzger, has been evangelizing global leaders about the disruptive impact of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. And at the same time, his venture capital digital fund, Leaders Ventures, was unable to participate and invest as the regulatory framework and the institutional grade platforms has been missing. Frustrated by the lack of solutions for professional investors, the ideas of LCX was born, and on November 27, 2017, at the heart of the Crypto Valley at Zug, Switzerland, Monty wrote the basic idea on this napkin here. So check that out. It's pretty interesting and neat how some of our visions and goals actually start, with everything. So sometimes writing them down, seeing them firsthand, is always a reminder to go back to those notes, and you can actually see it and visualize it, put it up there out in the atmosphere as those things come to fruition. So again, you got the LCX Terminal, LCX Assets, LCX Exchange, LCX Bank, and the LCX Vault, as well as Protocol. So go ahead and check that out. It's pretty unique and things like that. And here goes some strategic partnerships. You got World Economic Forum, Ledger, Global Digital Finance, Blockchain Research Institute, Global Digital Finance, and Confidential. And then you can click here for all of their partners here. So again, read the rest here, and here goes some of their management and advisors. Don Tapscott there. Some good names here for us to check out. But most definitely, we want to go check out this partnership. So you HBARians, okay, Hedera Hashgraph and LCX collaborate to develop infrastructure for digital securities, July 19th, 2021. And it's been a journey which started 2 years ago when Monty Mesker, CEO at LCX, and Lehman Baird, co-founder and CTO of Hedera Hashgraph, met for a confidential backroom meeting during the World Economic Forum in China. Today we are excited to announce a strategic partnership with Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, and the first steps of this long-term collaboration. Boom. All right. That's just one. You can read the rest. I'm going to leave it in the description. And here we go again. We've talked about this on the channel. LCX joins Celo. We've talked about it, which is booming right now. Foundation as an alliance member, April 5th, 2021. LCX is thrilled to be the newest alliance member of the Celo Foundation. We will be working alongside with leading technology providers, nonprofits, mobile wallets, payment processors, and global investment firms in creating an easily accessible mobile-friendly ecosystem of financial tools on the Celo open blockchain platform. So, boom, another one, right? Let's take it a step further, right? Let's check this one out. And again, we talked about the World Economic Forum, which is the Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution. This was back in 2019, All right, and then again, you can read the rest of this article and see what they're talking about from the WEF. And next up, we got this partnership. Quant partners with LCX to advance CBDC settlement implementation by collaborating on research and development and integrating their respective technologies. DLT thought leader Quant and cryptoasset pioneer LCX will further accelerate the progression towards CBDCs. And again, this is April 19th, 2021. Quant and LCX, which is the Liechtenstein Cryptoassets Exchange, have agreed a strategic partnership to leverage the synergies between the technologies of the two companies. And by collaborating and integrating their respective technologies, the argument will contribute significantly to advance the banking and finance sector, and particularly with respect to the implementation of settlements of CBDCs, banking stablecoins, and digital asset securities. Quant and LCX will conduct research and work together to be integrated into Overledger Network as a key partner to transact and settle transactions and digital assets for community, enterprise, and institutional clients. So again, read the rest there. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but we want to make sure that we connect that partnership so we can all see that this is something that's going to be on fire. Next, we got this coming from btcmanager.com and Constellation. So if you're a DAG Chad, this is for you. All right. So look, I don't know about you, but when I looked at this information and all I was told, hey, DRich, look at LCX. Tell me what you think. All I was able to do is look at the partnerships, find the information, connect the dots, and I went from there. And again, I took a position, and I said I FOMO'd into the other token over the weekend, but this one I'm really going to go heavy-handed on and make sure that I accumulate as much as possible. Constellation Network, DAG, and LCX.com have inked a strategic partnership deal aimed at expanding the blockchain ecosystem through the solid collaborations with other players in the distributed ledger technology industry to develop highly secure and scalable solutions. And the team said it is also creating a new token standard dubbed L_O to provide the more transparency, accountability, and assurance token to token creators and hodlers in a regulatory compliant manner, according to the press release on March 28, 2021. So again, Constellation LCX will be bringing more value to the DLT ecosystem. We did a recap on Constellation DAG last week, So if you want to go check out my previous videos on DAG as well as Lattice token, you're more than welcome to do so. So again, Constellation, DAG, they just signed a contract with the Air Force, I believe, last week. That was just announced. So again, I don't know about you, but it looks huge to me. And then again, for the Link Marines, we got something for you too. LCX chooses Chainlink to provide credible reference prices for cryptocurrencies. LCX takes another big step towards transforming the speculative crypto market into a mature token economy by collaborating with Chainlink and the market-leading decentralized Oracle network. LCX is now a data provider to the Chainlink network, which allows us to provide secure, reliable, transparent, and compliant reference prices to the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem, which are important to institutional investors in a highly regulated traditional financial market. And here you are, Link Marines. This is for you, okay? Now, there's other digital assets that they're connected to. I didn't find all of them, but the last but not least, if you are into Digibyte, all right, let's go ahead and check this out, all right. They got a connection with Digibyte. Digibyte Foundation agrees strategic partnership with LCX, April 15th, 2021. And this is coming from the btcmanager.com. Digibyte Foundation, a nonprofit organization that oversees the activities of leading blockchain platforms. Digibyte has announced a strategic partnership with LCX, and the partnership was revealed on April 14th and represents a significant milestone for the Digibyte ecosystem. All right, the partnership will enable LCX and Digibyte to leverage technological and legal infrastructure as part of the next step of the Digibyte ecosystem. As part of the partnership, LCX will implement Digibyte blockchain within its ecosystem, and this also includes running a blockchain node and integrating wallet support. LCX will also list Digibyte native coin DGB on LCX exchange. Also, both companies will collaborate to work on a new ecosystem focused on enterprise and consumer application. So again, here you are, ladies and gentlemen, for that. Man, I'm excited about this token. I don't know about you, but again, you could go ahead and get it on Hotbit. You can get it on SushiSwap, Uniswap, all of that. And most definitely, I encourage you to take a peek at it, pull the curtain back, share the information, talk to your friends about it to see what they think. If you're on Twitter, if you're on YouTube, most definitely you want to get the information out there. And I don't think that we're too far off from price discovery on this token. And to continue dive into this, I'm going to continue to look for more information. Obviously, I'll come back with another video to recap and share, what is done, probably a couple weeks from now, a month from now, and most definitely see what the price appreciation is. And again, it's been green all year, and there's nothing more we can do or say about it. So anyway, I went to this article from Quora.com, what is Liechtenstein known for, and we just wanted to go ahead and check out a couple things. You could go ahead and research this for yourself. I think it's important. Liechtenstein is known for its unbelievable transformation from a rural agricultural country and economy to one of the world's wealthiest population in just 60 years. This transformation really is unparalleled, and it took enormous effort, but more importantly, vision for the country and its leadership. Today, Liechtenstein is a diverse economy with finance and high-end industry being the main pillars, and the well-known companies that are world leaders in this industry are Hilti, which is power tools, and Ivoclar, which is dental technology. The University of Liechtenstein is world famous for its business economics. So again, you can read more there. Just wanted to leave that there just as a cap off of the video, so that we know that we're in good hands with this crypto asset, and especially with clarity, regulatory frameworks in place, and things like that. I think that this is, is paramount to what's coming with this platform our exchange, or even the token itself. So again, LCX, I highly encourage you to get you some. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video, the information that I was able to provide, look into. And again, I want to make sure that I thank you all for joining me on today's video. Hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're brand new. Please share the information on your favorite social media platform so that the word can get out. And most definitely, if you're on Rumble, hit that Rumble button, and most definitely that thumbs up. So again, thank you again for tuning in. Tomorrow we'll be back with another video for you all to consume. But anyway, I thank you very, very much. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.